We're getting ready to jump back on Thunderation. Hadn't been on this one in years, but let's go give it a shot again and see if it's as good as we remember.
Thunderation opened in 1993, and it looks like an old mine train. The track is just over 3,000 feet long and has an 81-foot drop. It reaches a top speed of about 48 miles per hour, which doesn't sound fast, but when you're on it, it sure does feel fast. If you're liking this video, be sure to hit the like button to let us know. We always love hearing from you. This ride is just as I remembered. It's so much fun. If you want to see more rides from Silver Dollar City, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss a thing. Check out Wildfire next by clicking the link shown here. Until next time, be safe and remember, have fun, let's travel.